kung may kalala kang, ito yung sakit niya o pregnant siya, ganyan, mag-customize kayo for what you need. And also for the family's needs, no? Yung mga kakilala mo. And then you can save through our packages. Okay? Actually, kahit isang product lang naman, you can do Yusana na. You can be our PC member. Pero if you want to do the weekly commission, you have to get these packages. Ulitin ko po yun kahit isang product lang, you can already be a member. It's called PC. Pwede po kayong mag-retail, magbenta-benta. Pero if you want to have the dollar commission per week and other bonuses, you have to get these packages. Meron po tayong malaki, pero may mas maliliit dyan. May 52K, may 30K, may 20K. Now, last 5 minutes, I'll explain lang paano ka magka-come up with the price. Okay, kasi syempre, some of you will say, kaya nga gusto ko ng side hustle kasi wala akong budget sa ngayon. I acknowledge that. And same with me, when I saw you sana, I don't even have 2,000 pesos in my bank account. Parang magsasarado na talaga yung bank ko, yung ganong level. Yung ganyan. So, wala talaga akong pera. So, unang-una, intindihan mo muna yung value kasi magkaiba yung value sa price. Yung price ng Yusana ay 52K, pero iba yung value niya. Okay, ano yung value? Ang laman po niyan ay 3 business centers, 3 yung store mo. Ang equivalent ng 3 store is $3,000 potential income per week. In peso po, that's 159K per week potential income. Kaya alam nyo, nag-resign talaga ako after 4 years of doing it part-time. Kasi sabi ko, grabe yung sweldo ko in a month, kinikita ko na kayo sana per week. Pero syempre, konting sipag. May effort, di ba? And another thing, may 20 products yan inside. Kaya huwag kang matatakot kasi some of it gagamitin mo, yung iba ibebenta natin. Kaya, kung ikaw meron kang credit card, pwede mo yang iswipe. Tapos, pwedeng installment payment. Or pwede mong bayaran through the profit ng 52K. Kasi ang babalik po sa iyo niyan, mga around 60K or 70K. Kasi syempre, ibibenta mo siya ng SRP. Paano isi-sell? Ituturo namin sa'yo. And this kind of webinars. Another thing, guys, may rebate po ito, $30 the week after. So may sweldo ka agad, ikaw sa Yusana, pag itong package na to ang kinuha mo. Okay? The next option is the 30K. This is only one business center. Tapos ito, guys, hanggang $1,000 per week lang ito. So, ibig sabihin, 53K lang yung potential ng income mo per week, pero pwede na rin. And you can upgrade on your 5th week to 3 business center para ito yung potential ng income mo someday. Dito, konti lang yung produkto mo, mga 10 lang, and then pwede mong gamitin yung iba, pwede mong ibenta yung iba. Babalik po yan ng mga 40K. Kaya ito yung best talaga pag wala kang pera. Mag-credit card ka. O, konting kwento, guys. When I saw you sana, I don't have money, right? Pero pine-prescribe siya sa father ko. So, pero ang mindset ko, paraan. 'Di ba? Kasi minsan mindset lang 'di ba? Minsan, I can't afford it. 'Di ba? Minsan sinasabi natin, I can't afford it. Change ko lang yung mindset ko to, how can I afford it? So, in short, nag-isip ako ng paraan. So, ngayon, ang ginawa kong paraan, I call it BDA. Ano ba yung BDA, guys? Bangko de Ate. Ayan. So, tumawag po ako sa sister ko sa Singapore. Sabi ko, te, tulungan mo naman ako magbago yung buhay ko. Tapos tawang-tawa siya. Sabi niya, bakit? Te, tagal ko na nag-work. I'm working since ako 19 years old. Wala akong naiipon. Sabi ko, syempre gusto ko rin mag-settle someday pag nag-asawa ako. Gusto ko may sarili akong money, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi niya, magkano ba kailangan mo? At that time po kasi it's 38 lang yung ano na, 'di ba? May inflation talaga, no? 38 to 40K po ang 3BC ng Yusana, but now 52 na siya. So I started with the big package and then sinwipe ko yung credit card ng sister ko. Pumayag siya, why? Kasi bumibili rin naman kami ng products for dad. Yung iba binenta ko. So ngayon, sabi niya, pumayag siya kasi sabi niya, okay lang yan, ang dami ko namang kin-credit card pero bad debt. Can you type yes if you guys are somebody who can relate? Ano ba yung bad debt? It's called liabilities. Maganda to i-share. Okay, wait lang I'll change screen kasi minsan, it's just a matter of mindset and how you see things. Ano ba yung sinasabi nating bad debt? Okay. Alam niyo po ba why may rich at may poor? Ito yung difference nila. Pag yung mga rich people, pag nag-income sila, automatic, ibibili yan ng asset. Tapos yung asset nila yung bumibili ng liabilities. Commonly, walang expenses. But the common people like us, di ba? Included ako doon. Yung income, liabilities agad. Ano kayang cellphone ang mabibili ko? Saan tayo magta-travel? Ito, magandang damit. Ganyan. Tapos, puro expenses. Pero zero asset. Diyan ako na-enlighten. Sabi niya sa akin, marami nang lumabas na 30K sa kamay mo, sis. Pero hindi negosyo. At hindi rin for health. Kaya guys, kung ito yung magiging last utang mo, 'di ba? Para magkaroon ka ng cash flow o mag-generate sa iyo ng further income, ilaban mo 'yan. Kasi alam niyo po yung nangyari sa akin. I'm already done. Pakita ko lang yung nangyari sa akin. On my first 2 weeks, guys, I earned 5,000 pesos. This is, I'm sharing this not to brag, but to show you the potential. The year after, guys, month after month, naging 20K yung extra income. Naging 40K the year after, and then 65K the year after. Month after month yan, ha? When, never a week po na zero income ako sa'yo sana when I decided to do it. Kahit 1,000, 2,000 kumikita ako hanggang sa ganyan na siya. And then nag-resign na po ako. Kaya 4 years lang akong part-time. Nag-full-time ako ng 2018. And right now, it could be like this or more. So proud tayo kasi nagbabayad tayong tax. Kaya makikita nyo po dyan na nade-deduct, no? Kasi may tax deduction yan. So ngayon guys, imaginein mo, hindi ka manager, hindi ka senior VP, hindi ka AVP ng kumpanya, but you're earning 6 digits kasi nga negosyo. 'Di ba? So it's a matter of choice. Saan ako ulit nagsimula? Nangutang lang ako sa sister ko. Kung hindi ko naman tinapangan, 'di ba? At babalik lang ako sa dati kong work, alam ko na 'yon, na-compute ko na 'yon. Agree ba kayo doon? Yung alam mo naman yung saswelduhin mo kahit isang buong taon. Kaya nga sabi ni Albert Einstein, it's insanity if you expect different result if you don't do something different. Tagalogin natin yon, kabaliwan if mag-expect ka ng ibang resulta kung wala kang ginagawang iba. 'Di ba? And sabi naman ni Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook and founder of Facebook, not doing or not risking nothing is a risk in itself. Ang ganda nun. Legit naman ang Yusana, nakita nyo naman. Ethical, moral, magandang brand, 5-star. So ano na lang hahanapin mo? Yung capital. 'Di ba? So, but then again, if wala ka nun, you can start small. We have 20,000 worth. 6 na yon na essentials. I think at yon madaling gawaan ng paraan yon. Kasi ako yung mindset ko nung nakita ko yung Yusana, this is my last debt. Yun talaga yung mindset ko. If this will answer, no, my financial problem. Kasi ano lang yan eh. Ito na po yung last kong sasabihin. I'm done already. If this is the solution, kasi dalawa lang po yan eh. It's either you see Yusana as expenses or solution. 'Di ba? Kasi yun lang siya talaga. Pero of course, hindi siya expense kasi siya yung asset. Sorry. Hindi siya expense kasi siya yung asset. 'Di ba? This is a solution. So if you see sana a solution, then gawin mo ng paraan. Yung 20K, 30K, or 50K. But then again, if you want to retail lang, kahit isang product lang, you can be a member. Basta wag niyo lang to palagpasin kasi believe me, 5 months after, a day after, 1 month after, may invite ka ulit. Kasi bakit po? Palaki ng palaki ang Yusana. I mean, I'm sure. Sure ako, may invite ka ulit because it's here to stay. Yusana is a brand that might outlive us, meaning grabe yung breakthrough niya when it comes to science. Naka 5-star nga eh, di ba? Halos lahat nga na magagandang kilala mo sa healthy option, 3-star lang sila eh. Di ba? But this is 5-star. Kaya excited ako sa inyong lahat on how are you going to come up with the capital. Kasi I want you to dream also for yourself. What could happen if you decide? Malaki po ang plano ni Miss Rach, ni Engineer Richard Chan, ni Miss Erlinda, ako, 'di ba? Sa yung mga taong nag-invite po sa inyo, si Miss Jen, 'di ba? Malaki po ang plano namin sa inyo. All you have to decide. And this is my last slide. Okay. Tingnan niyo po 'to maigi. Ito yung plano na sinasabi ko. There is this smart position being offered sa you right now. And this smart position, you are being offered with a position that will expedite your success in Yusana. So basically guys, yan yung reason ba't ka kailangan mo mag-decide. Kasi this is your sponsor, yung taong nag-invite sa'yo. And if this is you, yung next person, wala naman siyang choice, ilalagay niya talaga under you. So what if doctor yan with patients nga? 100% nun, salo mo na. Ganun ka-powerful yung business. Kasi dito black and white po talaga yung system. Di ba? Yung iba, nakakaloka sila, no? Pero tayo, legit. Other side mo na lang yung workout natin. Kaya remember that, it could be a doctor na potential market na pwede mong maunahan. Could be an athlete, influencer. Basta, to cut the long story short, get that spot. Diba? So thank you so much guys for joining me. No, just remember to find a way more than the excuses, no? Kasi again, this is the healthiest family on earth. Our main goal is maging healthy ka. Alam niyo po ba na pag ikaw yung unang tinamaan ng sakit, you can't be a father, you can't be a mother. 'Di ba? Hindi mo kayang i-perform yung role mo sa life kasi ikaw yung mahina. Kaya yung goal natin, i-prioritize din yung health natin and spread through health. So I'll be opening now our breakout room, no, to all of you guys. All you need to do is just click the join button na makikita nyo po sa inyong screen. And once you see the join button, guys, all you have to do is click that. Again, you are going to be assigned to one of our breakout rooms. And then makikita nyo doon yung taong nag-invite sa inyo. So what you have to do lang is talk to the person who invited you. Tell them all your concerns. And of course, welcome to the healthiest family on earth. Click the join button now. Open na po ang ating mga breakout room. Again, you can now see the button. See you in the breakout room. God bless everybody and have a good night. Thank you.